What's up, guys? It's your boy Scoop. You are live with Heavycampfxgroup. Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be looking at Usdchf. We're currently on our daily time frame. Last week of June, first week of July, guys. First Friday of the month, so it's going to be NFP. Alright guys, so we're going to jump straight into it, guys. So the first thing we do as Heavy Camp, we know that we identify the direction of the market and then we find our key levels, right guys? So as you can see, the market was in an uptrend, downtrend, and now market impulse to the upside. All right guys, so simply how we would just identify this, we can see that market was in a very bearish movement before we broke this key level, or rather this descending trend line, to impulse to the upside. All right guys, so I'm just going to remove this. Alright guys, so as priced impulse to the upside, guys, we can see that the market kind of it hit resistance when it got to 0.923, and if you look to the left, guys, we can see that this is a crucial area in the market where, okay, right now it's acting as resistance, right? So we're just going to make it red in color. Alright guys, so we can see market pushed up, gave us this high, and then it came back, gave us this triple bottom, as you can see, before continuing to move up and then finding some resistance. So this would be our key level, also major key level, acting as resistance, right guys? So market pushed and then resisted before pushing all the way down, breaking the support, turning it into resistance, and then giving us our low, where we can see a double bottom pattern. So this would be our support, right guys? So as market pushed, it gave us this low, tried to push up, and then came back to the very same low, giving us this double bottom pattern. And then we can see with that, guys, market impulse to the upside. So if you are looking at this, guys, this would be our neckline, right? So something like this. So this would have been our neckline. So as soon as price broke above, we would have been looking for buys all the way to this high or this high, should we have noticed this level, okay guys? All right, so now that we are looking for opportunities for the upcoming week, guys, looking at this daily time frame, guys, what we are anticipating is that we are looking at a bullish flag. What we mean by that is when price impulses to the upside and then it stalls for some time in between minor lows and highs before continuing to impulse to the upside. All right guys, so we are looking for the continuation. So we basically we are anticipating that this is a continuation pattern to the upside, where market will, market is stalling due to this resistance. Okay, yeah, so market is going to stall for some time, before breaking this resistance and then continue moving up, right guys? So this is what we are looking at. This is our bias as Heavy Camp. Yeah, so we believe that this minor resistance will be broken and turned into support before price pushes up to this major key level here, which is our swing high. All right guys, but then as you know, guys, we're gonna wait for confirmation. So we won't just take buys based on what we are seeing now, right guys? So we're gonna wait for the market to open, print more data. So we're only gonna be looking for buys if price breaks above and then comes back for a retest. As you know, we are break and retest traders, right guys? So we're just gonna wait for a retest and then buy. We might take the impulse buys depending on how the market breaks this minor level. All right guys, but then what could also happen, guys, is that as the market pushed down, we are already aware that this is a major key level or a significant level in the market, right? 0.923. Right guys, so what could happen is our bullish flag, it's possible that our bullish flag might not play out, and then market could come back to our low, breaking lower, like guys. So in a situation where the market pushes lower, we will only be looking for sells if the market pushes below this this double bottom pattern. So if the market breaks this low, comes back for a retest, that's the only time we will be looking for sales. All right, guys. Or unless if the market pushes to this minor resistance and then we notice rejections, right, guys. So we're going to scale down perhaps to our 4-hour or our 2-hour candles, 2-hour time frames, right, guys. So if price pushes up into this level and then we notice rejections and we notice momentum shift to the downside, then we'll definitely be looking for sales from this minor level down to our support. All right, guys. So that's basically 3 things we will be looking at. But remember, we always wait for confirmation, guys. We always wait for market to print data so that we know what we are trading, right, guys. But then this is roughly the bias that we have as Heavy Camp, and these are the opportunities that we will be looking for, right, guys. And then once we spot our patterns, guys, definitely I will be sending signals to our private group. If you've watched up until this point, please like and subscribe. It's your boy Scoop, Heavy Camp. We're signing out.